The journey of a pencil begins with the careful selection of high-quality cedar logs, the primary raw material. These raw logs are meticulously debarked to prepare them for the next stages of processing. Powerful saws precisely cut the logs into manageable sections, ready for conversion into slats. Further milling transforms these sections into the distinctive cedar slats that will encase the graphite core. The cut cedar slats undergo a careful drying process to achieve optimal moisture content and stability. Each slat is rigorously inspected to ensure it meets the strict quality standards required for pencil production. Precise machinery then prepares the slats by cutting the characteristic grooves that will hold the graphite leads. These grooves are essential, providing the secure housing for the pencil's writing core. Simultaneously, the journey of the pencil's core begins with the arrival of raw graphite powder. Alongside the graphite, finely ground clay powder is introduced, serving as a binding agent. Graphite and clay are meticulously combined in large industrial mixers to form the foundation of the pencil lead. Water is then carefully introduced, transforming the dry powders into a pliable, dark paste. This paste undergoes an intensive kneading process, ensuring a uniform and perfectly blended consistency. The prepared paste is then fed into an extrusion machine, ready to be shaped into its final form. Under immense pressure, the paste is extruded through tiny dies, forming long, continuous strands of pencil lead. These continuous strands are then precisely cut into the specific lengths required for each pencil. The freshly cut leads are carefully dried to remove moisture and prepare them for the next critical step. The leads are then loaded into specialized kilns for an intense firing process at very high temperatures. This baking hardens the graphite, giving it the strength and durability needed for writing. After firing, the leads are slowly cooled, allowing them to stabilize and achieve their final properties. To enhance their smoothness and writing quality, the leads are then bathed in a molten wax or oil solution. This treatment ensures a consistent, smooth glide across paper, leaving a rich, dark mark. In the next stage, the prepared cedar slats move into position for the delicate process of lead insertion. Automated systems meticulously place the graphite leads into the carefully carved grooves of each slat. A specialized wood glue is then evenly applied over the inserted leads and the surface of the slat. A second grooved slat is precisely positioned and pressed onto the first, encapsulating the leads. These pencil sandwiches are then subjected to immense pressure, ensuring a strong, permanent bond between the cedar halves. The bonded blocks are carefully dried, allowing the glue to set completely and create a solid, stable foundation. Once fully dried, the blocks are ready for the crucial shaping process, transforming them into individual pencils. Powerful cutters precisely shape the blocks, creating the familiar hexagonal or round profile of the pencil. Each newly formed pencil undergoes a meticulous sanding process, ensuring a smooth, splinter-free surface. Throughout the process, rigorous quality checks are performed to maintain the highest standards. Pencils are then immersed in vats of vibrant paint, receiving their first protective and aesthetic coating. A slow journey through controlled drying tunnels allows the paint to cure perfectly, creating a durable finish. Multiple layers of lacquer are applied, enhancing the pencil's shine and providing additional protection. Finally, the pencil receives its identity, with brand names and hardness grades precisely imprinted onto its barrel. A metal ferrule is securely crimped onto one end, preparing the pencil for its eraser. Lastly, a soft, durable eraser is firmly inserted into the ferrule, completing the pencil. Each finished pencil undergoes a final, meticulous inspection before being bundled and prepared for packaging. From raw cedar to finished product, the journey of a pencil is a testament to precision engineering and craftsmanship, ready to embark on countless